is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Insurance Auto Auctions, as promised, with our GMT 400. Now, I don't remember specifically what year it is, 94, 95, 96, something like that, I don't know, but she's a decent-looking truck. I mean, well, from a distance, the closer you get, it seems like the worse it gets. Runs everywhere, trash, spray painted, dents. It says it drives. That's positive, I suppose. Kind of a matte black, but man, yeah, she's a little rough. She is a little rough. Anyway, got some dents going on back here, but I mean, you get these Boss rims, man, right? Yeah, I don't know. You tell me what you think. It looks like she took a little ding in the back there. Somebody really just painted this whole thing, guys. Tail lights included. Like they just they rattle can the whole thing. Oh boy. Yeah, okay. No, man. No, this poor truck. Oh, what do you look like on the inside? Well, yeah, that's about what I expected. Oh, the ignition is cracked. Oh, man. Well, what is this, like a 92? Let me see here. 94. She's a 94 GMT 400. And, man, she's rough. She is rough. It says on the window, no run or drive. And I think I can understand that because, well, somebody just got under here and just cracked this whole damn thing, man. This is the rod right here. It's hard to show you right there. This rod will activate the starter if you can push it hard enough. It's right there, right here. Or maybe that's the brights. Hold on, that's the brights. My bad. It's on the other side, I guess. Yeah, sorry guys. It's been a while since I stole a car, you know what I mean? Forgive me. The ignition switch has got to be like under there somewhere. I can't even see it from where I'm at. Yeah, obviously it'd be on this side. I'm not sure how they were doing this. Looks like they were just starting it with a screwdriver. Unfortunately, I'm sure that the screwdriver they were using is long gone. Hell, maybe they were using this. I stick this in there and just. Oh wow! Yeah, they destroyed this. I was hoping this one might run, but quite honestly, looking at everything under here, I don't think so. We got a lot of wires and stuff hanging out. They got switches hanging out under here too. I guess it wouldn't hurt to pop the hood. Take a peek under there. See what she's working with. V6. Is it a V8? I'm gonna guess probably V6. No, there's an 8-banger under the hood there. Sure is. What do you think it is, 5.0? Oh, 5.7, man. 5.7. Looky there. All right, well, that changes things a little bit. If it had been a V6, I'd not be interested at all, but the fact she's sitting there with a TBI 5.7, I don't know. What do you guys think? Kind of digging the old girl if I could figure out how to start her. Well, unfortunately, I got the flashers to work, but I can't get her to do anything. Nothing. That sucks. I messed around with the ignition a little bit, and I got it where the accessories should be on, but they're not. Nothing is coming to life. Nothing's lighting up. Then again, it looks like somebody ripped a system out of this thing in a pretty quick hurry. Subs, and there's an amp sitting in the door. There's a lot of wires just disconnected and hanging underneath this thing, and you can see there's a lot of wires here hanging too. I mean, lots of just cut wires. There's no telling what's been done to this thing, and yeah, unfortunately there's just nothing I can do for it. This one is going to be a little too far gone for me to mess with, but damn, she was still a pretty good looking truck. Next, I believe I got a 2007 Mercedes-Benz E350. It's a pedal car. A pedal car. This is not an insurance car. Boy, she looks like it's an it looks like it's an insurance car, but it's not. It's a pedal car, runs and drives. There you go. I think it's an E350 anyway. 167,000 miles on the clock. You know, looks all right. Except for the front. The front's actually pretty, the front's pretty rough. The front's pretty rough. Iron Man. Let's take a look at the interior real quick since we're already over here. Well, there's the grill. That's nice. Oh, wow. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. This is rough. This is rough. What do we got going on over here? This piece of the rocker cover is missing. That tire is flat. Turned a little bit to the left. Is the other one turned to the left also? It is. Okay, so at least that matches up. The bumper does not appear to be holding on very well. I'm gonna guess that headlight assembly is probably damaged. Wow. I mean, the gaps are horrible. Like real bad. Okay. Well, let's get in here and I'll get the hood open. She's got power. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, wow. No power steering. Low coolant. Flashing check engine light. Misfiring like crazy. Oh, wow. Battery voltage. Dude, this thing's in trouble. Oh my goodness. I think it's gonna die. Yeah. This one ain't gonna clean up on its own, guys. That's yeah, I don't know about you guys, but for me that's a, oh my goodness, the hood does not open. Oh man. Whew. Oh, that ain't even a factory hood right there. Nope, that is an aftermarket hood. Yeah, so here's what I'm thinking. Oh, the belt's gone. Look down there, the belt is off. So it has no accessories. No, man. Nope. Ow, dadgummit. She tried to get me, guys. She tried to get me. Nope, that's a hell no on that one. Before you laugh at me, this isn't just a Fiat. This is, how do you pronounce it? John Ross had one, man. An Abarth. Abarth. I don't know. You guys comment below and tell me how the hell to say it. Anyway, this thing is sitting here, and I remember John Ross just loved the hell out of his, and then he sold it. And I thought, man, you know, I'd kind of like to have one of those. It's kind of a cool little car. I don't know why I want one, but look at this. You got you a somewhat convertible top. It's got a little dent. Yeah, you know, just a little dent in the door there. That'll pop right out. I'm sure you could buff most of that out, I think. The quarter panel, ouch. The door, yeah. Yeah, I'd be willing to bet that the A-pillar is probably okay, and it looks like most of the rocker is probably okay too. It did get into the quarter right here. The B-pillar, man, it definitely nailed the B-pillar. You can see that it's damaged in there. Sucks. I'm sure that could be fixed. I guarantee you that could be fixed. Look at the Abarth Scorpion wheels, man. She's just an aggressive looking little car. And I know you guys are laughing. An aggressive looking car. Yeah, okay. All right, maybe it's not so aggressive looking, but for what it is, for this tiny little thing, it's got an aggressive little look to it, man. Kind of like, okay, so a Scorpion is small, right? It's small, but when you look at it, it's like, oh, hold on, you know, let me rethink the situation here, right? Okay, this may not exactly be like that, but it's... what the heck is that? Fuel cutoff activated. 31,000 miles. And now she won't do anything. Okay. See manual. How about this? Go see your damn self. I ain't seeing nothing. You think I got time to sit out here and read a book on how to start this car? No, man. I ain't got time for that. If it starts, it starts. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But if I'm not going to sit here and read a damn manual on an inertia switch. That was pretty hard hit, though. That was. I don't know. For me personally, I do like these cars. I really do. I think it's a fun, cool looking car. A lot of you are probably going to disagree with me. That's just my opinion. I think the little thing is awesome. And with that, we conclude another video. If you notice, the videos have been getting kind of quicker and quicker. A lot of people wonder why that happens. Seems like as the week progresses, the videos speed up. That's because for you guys, it's like a whole week. For me, it's one day. It's one day, all day, from morning until they close, out here filming. All right? So as I get started in the week, you know, I'm kind of taking my time and I'm having a good time enjoying myself. The problem is, at the end of the day, when it starts hitting 5 o'clock, they're going to close. I got to wrap videos up. And yeah, unfortunately, I just have to speed things up or there'll be no videos. I hope you enjoyed the content, guys. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuild. Subscribe to the channel if not currently subscribed. And stay safe out there. Look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.